viewers, this is Pushkala and we are going to see text functions part 2. So how do we manipulate text with few functions that is being written here, concatenate, replace, substitute and all others. We'll see those one by one. Okay, first let's see how concatenate function works. Concat function is nothing but when you have two strings like Anna and Barney, it is going to uh, join these two strings. That is what concatenation does. It is not only to concatenate two strings. If you want more strings than anything, you can do that as well. So if you want to format this properly, I can format this properly by using strings inside. I want a comma after that and with some spaces. And I'm gonna give and here some spaces and that's it. Anna, Barney and Charlie. It is written very well. This is how concatenation operation works. So first I've given B2 which is Anna and I've given a comma and then B3 which is Barney and then I've given an and with the spaces right side and left side so it will look good and then B4 which is Charlie. And now this is my final text. If you want spaces in between text, you will have to give spaces inside the quotes. Only then it will look good. Let's see replace operation. How replace operation works. So I'll select an old text. I'm gonna select okay, Frank. I'm gonna select Frank and I'm gonna say the start number is 5. I'm gonna just select the K here and okay, let me select other one. I'm gonna select Jack. Okay, or anything else. Okay. I'm gonna select Theodore here. Theodore, comma, and it is going to start with O. Let's start with O, which is the 4th character. Let's count the character after that. I have 5 characters after O. So 5, comma, all of them is going to replace with a star. So this is how replace operation work. Now we are going to have only the and a star. This is how replace operation works. You're going to give the text text in which the box has and then 4th character and how many letters after that 4th character and what it should be replaced with. That is what replace operation does. If you don't want to know the number of the character or how many characters I want to replace with, you can go for substitute operation, which will work fine for you. Substitute operation, I am going to use Theodore again. And the old text is O-D-O-R-E. O-R-E. This is my old text. And I'm gonna do that with theory something. And I'm just gonna close. So O-D-O-R-E is replaced with O-D-Y. So that is how substitute operation works. You just give a bunch of letters you want to change and the new letters which you have to change it with. So that is how substitute operation works with the text, whereas replace operation works with the numbers, with the text numbers and the number of characters. If you want to use with the number of characters, you can go for replace. With the exact text, you can go for substitute. So let's go for search then. I'm gonna write a find text. Let's say I'm gonna find N in Barney. N in Barney and within text, this is the within text Barney. So how many character is there? That is the 4th character. N is the 4th character in Barney. That is how search operation work. I want to find N in B3. B3 is Barney. So N is the 4th character and gives me 4 as result. That is search operation. Let's go with text. In text, I have this value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is a number. Now I'm gonna convert this into a string with a currency sign in between. So I'm gonna say and dot 00. See what happens. It has given a comma inside because I'm writing hashtag comma hashtag. So it is going to divide my numbers into two parts, hashtag and comma. It is giving 1, 2, 3 comma, and again a hashtag 4, 5, 6, and dot 000 will give this thing. So this is a text operation where you will be formatting how the text looks. So let's talk with another one. This is today function. I have used today function here as you can. I'll just show you guys. This is a today function to display today's exact date. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use text and I'm gonna select this today operation and I'm gonna write only date 4 times, which is going to give me the day of that today. So tomorrow when you come and check, this will be Thursday. So I just wanted to print only the text of that particular weekday, not any other things. Let's go to text with this one. This is a now function. I have written now function in this, and I'm gonna write first hour and then minutes and then seconds with AM/PM written after that. As you can see here, it displays here 15 and 49. Here it is 3, 49, 11 and PM. So I have formatted this 24 hours clock into 12 hours font. And let's go for repeat. REPET. Repeat. I'm selecting the Lance name, and I'm gonna say repeat 4 times. It is going to print the Lance name 4 times. That's all. It's more like concatenation, but with the single strings with the number of times you say. And let's say I'm gonna write a string here. My name is Pushkala. So if you do that in proper function, what I have to do here is I'm just gonna select this text and that's all. It will give me the same text with all the first letters are capital. That is what proper function does. It returns the same values with all the first letter of the words in capital letters. So this is part 2 of text functions. If you have any doubts, leave it in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.